Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get a new name card. So guys, to unlock a new game card on your game Genshin Impact, you first of all need to be logged in, and once you're in the game like I am, you just need to go ahead and tap on this left corner button over here, and once you're there, you just need to go ahead and tap on this pen-like button at the top and tap on change name card. And once you're there, you can see many name cards over here. So to unlock or get a new name card, it says that you can get this name card by reaching friendship 10 with Gaia, and you can get this name card by reaching friendship 10 with channeling. So guys, you need to complete a certain quest or reach a friendship level with the characters to unlock new name cards. We can see our achievements through here, and once your achievement progress reaches 100, you will receive this name card. The same for everyone. So guys, that's how you unlock or get new name card in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.